Hello, childrens. Greetings to you all. Hope you all are fine by God's grace. Today we are going to take mathematics class, 6th standard. Already we have completed first chapter. Now we are going to do second chapter. Second chapter name is measurements, part 1 and session 21. In measurement, what all you know about measurements? What all you know about measurements? In measurements, chapter name called measurements, page number 24, the introduction part is given. That means that what are the things we are going to see in measurement? Smaller units to larger units, 4 fundamental operations, that means plus, minus, multiplication and division. Then 12-hour format to 24 hours format. That means that in our wall clock, after 12 we used to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. In 24-hour format is nothing but after 12 we used to say 13, not 1, 13, 14, 15 like that. That is said to be 24-hour format. Finding duration. That means that finding duration between two given time instance, between those two time instance, finding out the duration is nothing but the measurements. These are the 4 things we are going to see in this exercise. Before that, previously, in olden days, people used to measure things by how? It is given as Vazhakku. In your page number 24, the picture is given here. The picture is, this is the type of measurements using Vazhakku. This is Padi. This is Marakkal. If you ask your grandmother, they'll say you how it looks like, how it is useful. Marakkal. Cubit. Cubit is nothing but flour. Yeah, the flour in a shop, in a flour shop, we can ask, no, oru mulam kudunga, like that. It is said to be cubit. Handspan. With the help of our 5 fingers, they'll measure as handspan. San. Foot. Or adi. Foot. Our foot is nothing but or adi. Feet. Adi. This is balance. This is our used to. We use in previously we have used in provision shop. They used to measure with kgs, grams, like that. They'll measure the provision shop and they'll give you the things which we need for, which we use for preparing food. Yes, this is the introduction given in your textbook. Next, this is on recap. Basic metric units. Length is measured in meter. That means that length means if you go to the shop to buy a meter of shirt bit or pant bit, they used to measure in meter. Weight. That means that if you used to buy grams means we can measure by grams. Kilogram or grams, 50 gram, 100 gram or 1000 gram, that is 1 kg, like that. Capacity means that is volume in liter. If you go to oil shop, they'll measure in liter, 1 liter, half liter, like that they'll measure. In page number 25, we have larger ones. How to find out? Larger ones as kilometer, kiloliter, kilogram. Medium ones meter, liter, gram. Small ones centimeter, centiliter, centigram. Very small ones millimeter, milliliter, milligram. Likewise, measurements are given in these are the things which you have learned already in 5th standard. Now we'll go to the page number 27. In page number 27, this is to be by heart. You should by heart. 1 kilometer equal to length 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Weight can be calculated as 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 gram equal to 1000 mg. 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. This is the thing which you need to by heart for doing the sums. Next we'll go to the exercise 2.1. These are the basic introduction given in the textbook. Next, exercise 2.1, page number 30. Page number 30, exercise 2.1, first formula Phillips and true or false. Phillips I will explain to you, then only you will be able to understand. Phillips, first 250 ml plus half liter. That means they are asking you to convert into liter. So 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. Same way, half liter means 500 milliliter. It's half means 3 by 4. Mukkal liter. That means that 750 ml. Then kal liter. That means 250 ml. Kal liter is 250 ml. So 250 ml is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 liter. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, what you will get? What you will get? Half liter. This is 500 ml. This is 250. 750. That means 750 will be 3 by 4 liter. 150 will be 3 by 4 liter. You are able to understand. Next, 150 kg 200 gram. 55 kg 750 gram. They are asking in kg as well as in gram. So we are supposed to add. Kg and kg can be added. Gram and gram can be added. 200 gram and 750 gram will gives you how much? 200 gram and 750 gram will give you 950 gram. Then 150 kg plus 55 kg gives you 205 kg. 150 plus 50 is 200, extra 5 kg. 205 kg. So answer is 205 kg and 950 gram. Second fill-up got over. Next, third fill-up. 20 liter minus 1 liter. They are asking in liter as well as milliliter. So we logically will think of 20 liter minus 1 liter, how much? 19 liter. In 19 liter, 500 ml is going off. That means that 19 liter, 500 ml is going, means the balance is 18 liter and 500 milliliter. 18 liter and 500, because 18 liter 500 ml means if another 500 ml added means 19 liter. So 1 more liter is added means 20 liter. So answer is 18 liter 500 ml. Then 450 ml into 5. That means they are asking in liter as well as milliliter. So we have to multiply. This is not given, so we have to multiply. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 and 22. So 2250 milliliter. So 1 liter equal to 1000. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. Therefore, we can assume this is as 2 liter and 250 milliliter. Clear? Next, 50 kg divided by 100 gram. So this is gram, this is kg. So how we can find out? 1 gram is equal to 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So we can 5000. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. That means 50 into 1000. 50 into 1000, 50,000 divided by 100. So 100 will get cancelled. Balance is 500. 500, that's all. Next, true or false? First one is true, second one is false, third one is true, fourth is true, fifth is false. Just read out the question and understand the answer by working out like this. Next, we'll move on to the third Roman letter. Third Roman letter, convert into indicated units. Convert into indicated units. First question, 10 liter and 50 ml into milliliter. For this question, you are supposed to convert into milliliter. For this question, liter and milliliter is given. So we need to convert into milliliter. So first of all, we'll convert this liter and into milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. That means here 10 liter is given. So 10 liter is equal to 10 into 1000 milliliter. That means 10,000 milliliter. So instead of 10 liter, we can convert and write as 10,000 milliliter plus 50 ml. So 10,000 plus 50 gives you 10,050. In question, in book back answer, they have given us 10,005 because the question is wrong. Question is given as 5 ml in previous year textbook, but here in this textbook 50 ml is given. According to this question, 10,050 ml is correct answer. Clear? Don't confuse the book back answer. Next, 4 kilometer and 300 meter into meter. So meter is given and kilometer is given. We need to convert this kilometer into meter. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. That means 4 kilometer means 4 into 1000, 4000 meter. So instead of 4 kilometer, 4000 meter is given, and plus 300 meter is added, gives you 4300 meter. Next, 300 mg, milligram into gram. They are asking milligram into gram. That means 1000 mg. 1000 mg is nothing but 1 gram. They are asking this to convert into gram. So that 1000 mg is equal to 1 gram. That means 1 mg. We need to find out first for 1 mg. 1 mg is, this 1000 will come down. 1 divided by 1000. 1 divided by 1000. Therefore, if 300 mg means 300 mg is equal to 300 into 1 by 1000. 1 mg is equal to 1 by 1000. Therefore, we can write here as 300 into 1 mg. Instead of 1 mg, I can write as 1 by 1000. So, we can cancel 2 zeros. Then 3 divided by 10 will come. We can divide 3 divided by 10. So 10 in 10, 3 will not go. So I can put a dot and I have added 0. 10 3s are 30. 30 and 30 get 0. So answer is 0.3. That's all about third question. Third question, we have covered all the 3 sums. Next, fourth question, convert into higher units. 13,000 millimeter is given. They are asking convert millimeter into kilometer, meter and centimeter. We'll do that one. 13,000 millimeter. First, they are asking us to change into kilometer. So kilometer I have written. So question is 13,000 millimeter. So kilometer, we have to change it into kilometer. For that, we need to check whether for 1 millimeter, what is how much kilometer. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by these many kilometers. That means 1 tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. 10 lakh kilometer. 1 millimeter equal to 1 divided by 10 lakh kilometer. That means you can write here 13,000 into 1 millimeter. Instead of 1 millimeter, I can write as 1 divided by 10 lakh kilometer. After that, we can cancel. 3 zeros, 3 0 will get cancelled. So 13 divided by 1000 will be there. That means that what? So after 3 0 means you can divide and see, or else divide பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம், or else if it is 3 zeros, the decimal point can be done in the numerator. Once 3 zeros, 1 2, again one more number should come, so that 0 can be written, point and 0. So I'll show you with division. 13 and 1000. In 1000, 13 will not go, so I can put a dot and I can put 0. That means that also 130 will not go. So I need one more 0. I have authority, after dot I cannot put more zeros. So I can add 1 0. I can add here also 0. So 1000 ones are 1000. Balance 300. Then 1000 threes are. So after I put 0, so I can add 0. 1000 threes are 3000. So 0.013 is the answer. Next, we can change it into meter. After kilometer, I can change this into meter. So same way, 13,000 millimeter. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. That means that we have to change and write 1 millimeter only, no, here. So 1 millimeter, 1000 into 1 millimeter. That means this 1000 will come down, and 1 divided by 1000 meter. So 1 divided by 1000 meter. So instead of 1 millimeter, I have written as 1 divided by 1000 meter. So after that, we can cancel 3 zeros and 3 zeros. So denominator nothing is there. 13 into 1, 13 meter. Next, we are converting into centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. That means that we need only millimeter to be converted. So I can change and write 110 into 1 millimeter. That means 1 millimeter means this 10 will come down. So 1 by 10 centimeter. So 13,000 into 1 divided by 10 centimeter. So 1 0 and 1 0 will be cut. So balance is 1300 centimeter. So fourth question got over. In fifth question, convert into lower units. Convert into lower units. 15 kilometer is given. They are asking us to convert into meter, centimeter and millimeter. So this is more easy compared to that. So meter is given. First I am going to change into meter. Question is 15 kilometer. So we can find out 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So instead of 15 I have changed and write 15 into 1 kilometer. So 15 into, I need to change only meter. So instead of 1 kilometer I have written 1000 meter. 15 into 1000, 15,000 meter. Next I am going to change into centimeter. So 15 kilometer is equal to 15 into 1 kilometer as I did here. First we need to change into meter, then I am going to change into centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Same way I have did it for the first. First we did right, same procedure I have followed here. 1000 meter. After that you can change as meter into centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. For this I have written 1000 into 1 meter. 15 into 1000 meter I have convert and wrote as 1000 into 1 meter. After 1 meter I can convert as 100 centimeter. Instead of 1 meter, 100 centimeter. Then 15 into 1000 into 100 gives you 1 tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakhs. 15 lakh centimeter. Clear? You should not say like that, but for your understanding I am saying. Next I need to convert it into millimeter. Millimeter I need to convert. Same procedure we have to follow. 15 into 1 kilometer. First I have changed into 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Then same way 1000 into 1 meter. Here 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 meter is nothing but 1000 millimeter. So 15 into 1000 into, instead of 1 meter I have written 1000 millimeter. Then 15 into 1000 gives you 1 tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, 50 lakhs. Millimeter. Sorry, millimeter. I have written milliliter. Millimeter. Yes, I hope you all understood fifth question. Next, sixth question. Sixth question, they are asking us to put greater symbol or less symbol or equal to symbol. So we have 5 subdivisions. Here I have written here 800 plus 150 gram. 800 gram plus 150 gram gives you 950 gram. Here 1 kilogram. Kilogram is given. So 1000 gram. So 1000 gram means which is highest one here. This one is highest. So I can put a symbol like this. Next 600 ml plus 400 ml. 1000 ml. Here 1 liter. 1 liter equal to how much? 1000 milliliter. So both are equal. This is liter. Here 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So both are equal. So it is equal. 6 meter means here centimeter, centimeter. So we can convert 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 600 meter plus 25 centimeter. Sorry, 600 centimeter plus 25 centimeter, 625 centimeter. Here also if you add, you will get 625 centimeter. So answer is equal. 88 centimeter. Here 8 meter, 8 centimeter. 8 meter can be, both are centimeter, right? We can change this. 8 meter means 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 8 meter is 800 centimeter. So 800 plus 8 is 808 centimeter. This is 88 centimeter. Which one is greater? This one is greater. So next 55 gram 550 mg. 1 gram equal to 1000 mg. 1 gram is equal to 1000 mg. So we can convert this 1000. So which one is greater? 55,000 gram is greater, or this is mg, right? 55,000 mg and 550 mg. Which one is greater? This is greater. So yes, we have completed sixth sum. Yes. And next seventh sum. Seventh sum is a statement problem sum. So we need to understand the question. I'll read out the question and I have written one by one statement. Geeta brought 2 liter and 250 ml of water in a bottle. Geeta brought water in a bottle. How much water? 2 liter and 250 ml. Her friend 2 liter and 250 liter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So that means 2 liter means 2000 ml. So 2000 ml plus 250 ml gives you 2250 ml. Next statement, her friend drank 300 ml from it, and from that water she drank 300 ml. How much of water is remaining in the bottle? Remaining water we need to find out. Remaining water is nothing but 2250. Remaining means we are supposed to subtract 250 ml minus 300 ml. If you subtract, you will get 1950. 0 gets cancelled. Sorry, 0. 5 into 3 will not go. So this will become 1 and this is 12. In 12, if 3 goes means 9. So 1950. 1950 ml means we can convert and write as 1 liter and 950 ml. That's all. Next, 8th question. Thenmozhi's present height is given. Thenmozhi's present height is 1.25 meter. That's what I have written and I have converted into centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. That means 1.25 into 100 means if you multiply you will get 12500. After 2 decimal point the point is given. So if I put 0.20 will go. So 125 centimeter. Second statement, she grows 5 centimeter every year. Every year she is growing 5 centimeter. Growth of every year is equal to 5 centimeter. What would be her height after 6 years? They are asking after 6 years what would be her height. So after 6 years, present height is 125 plus 6 years. Each year she is growing by 5 centimeter. That means I am multiplying 5 centimeter into 6. So 125 plus 6 5s are 30. So 155 centimeter. After 6 years, her height will be 155 centimeter. That's all about 8th question. Now 9th question. Priya bought 22.5 kg of onion. I have told you already 1 kg means 1000. Half kg means 500 gram. 3 by 4 means 750. 1 by 4 means 250. So we have to convert and write. 22.5 means 22 kg and 500 gram. Priya. Same way, Krishna also bought onion. Same onion. But he bought 18 kg and 3.5 kg of 18, 3.5 kg. 3.5 means 750. So I have written 18 kg, 750 gram. Then Sedu also bought onion. How much he bought? 9 kg and 250 gram. They have written as 9 kg and 250 gram directly. Instead of 3 by 4, we have written 750. Half, we have written 500. They are asking us to find out what is the total weight of onion did they bought. So total weight. So we have to add and see how much total. So 0, 5 plus 5, 10. Then 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus carry over 1, 15. Balance 1. We can add the balance. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. So 2 plus 2, 4, 5. So how much we are getting? 50 kg, 500 gram. 50 kg, 500 gram. Clear? Yes, 9th sum is over. Next 10th and 11th you try it as homework. Next we'll go to 12th sum. 12th sum, in a school. You can view your textbook, page number 31. in a school 200 liters of lemon juice is prepared. So in a school 200 liters is prepared. Total lemon juice prepared. First statement 200 liter. 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. So 200 liter means 200 into 1000, 2 lakh milliliter will come. Next statement, if 250 ml of lemon juice is given to each student they are going to give 250 ml. Quantity of lemon juice given to one student is equal to 250 ml. Then they are asking us to find out how many students will get the juice. How many students will get the juice if they give 250 ml to each one of them. That means that we have to subtract and see. So total lemon juice is prepared is 200 liters. So we have written in milliliter. 1 stands under 1000, 10,000 lakhs. 2 lakh milliliter divided by each person, each student we are going to get 250. So after that we can cancel. 10 and 10 will cut. 5 5s are 25. Here 5 4s are 20. Then 3 zeros are there. Then 5 1s are 5. 5 8s are 40. Again 2 zeros are pending. So 800 students can get the lemon juice from the 200 liters. That's all. They are asking how many students can get the lemon juice. 12th sum is over. Next 13th sum. How many glasses? 13th sum, same page number. How many glasses of the given capacity will fill a 2 liter jug? 2 liter jug is there. If 100 ml means, if you are calculating 100 ml means how many glasses is needed to fill a 2 liter jug. If 1 liter means how many glasses is needed to fill a 2 liter jug. So you can say easily 1 liter means how many glasses need to fill 2 liter. 2 glasses if you pour, the thing will be filled. So first question is 100 ml. If you are going to pour 100 liter, 100 liter and the 2 liter jug la ஊத்துனா எத்தனை glasses வரும் calculate பண்ணணும். 2 liter is equal to 2000 ml. That means first we will convert into ml and keep it ready. So 100 ml means 2000 divided by 100. So then 20 and 20 will cut. So totally 20 glasses we need to fill the 2 liter jug. Then second question 50 ml. Same way 2000 by 50. 1010 will cut. 5 ones are 5. 5 40s are 200. 40 glasses is needed. Next third question 500 ml. 2000 liter 2000 milliliter by 500. 2020 will cut. 5 ones are 5 fours are 4 glasses is needed to fill a 2 liter jug. So 1 liter I told you earlier, 2 liter by 1 liter. So 2000 ml by 1000 ml. 1000 ones are 1000, 1000 twos are 2000. So 2 glasses is needed. Next fifth question 250 ml. So 2000 divided by 250 ml. So if I cancel 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 and 0. Same way 5 1s are 5 8s are 40. 8 glasses is needed to fill the water. Homework is you have to do the 10th and 11th question and objective type question. And then I have left fourth question. Fourth question 1 second sum and fifth question second sum. Try to complete it as homework. Hope you all understood this session. If you have any doubts, please call me. The same question only, the same sums only I am going to teach you in Zoom class yesterday. See, clear children? Thank you so much.